guys, once again this is KFA. We're bringing this week's analysis to your table. um, Firstly, we want to apologize for the quality of the videos we posted. So I think that was like 2 videos last week. Some issues came up, but we sorted it out and we are giving you, as you can see, improvement has been made. So I hope we all enjoyed last week's trade. We made bagged $17,000 on our AUD USD trade and we bagged almost $4,000 on our gold trade. So here I am again, guys, with my gold analysis. We have to make some money this week. Let's make more money this week because the market is not sleeping, guys. Market is moving. As you can see, there's been a downward movement today, like this, like right now. So I made the analysis privately, but I overlooked something and I ended up having a loss of $1,800, and I'm going to be stating the reason why the loss was made. So looking at our more, if you are just joining us for the first time, I'm going to give you like 5 seconds to click that subscribe button and the like button, like and subscribe, guys, and start commenting. I want you to start commenting on these videos. The reason is because let us know if you're making profit. Let's know so we are more eager to show you more things, because believe me, KFA has got lots in store for you. So you need to let us know, okay, I placed the trade last week, this is what happened, I made a profit, I was not able to make as much profit, how can I go about this, guys? So you need to start commenting, and your comments are all going to be reviewed to give you a better and more perfect analysis videos. Okay, so I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that. Click that subscribe and like button, and also if you are just joining us, please click that notification button so you'll be one of the first people to get notified once we upload any videos on our channel, because you don't want to miss out on any opportunities, believe me. So the analysis I told you I made was a buy, and last week I told you gold is coming down. So I saw an analysis that was screaming for a buy but I oversee that there's an oversight rather, because there was a candlestick I was supposed to wait for. I was supposed to decide the trade. I did not wait for that candlestick and I generated a loss. I'm going to be sending a video at the end of this week, that is for our results video. I'm going to be explaining that too in that video. You're going to see the loss. Don't worry, we are going to be accountable for that, our trading account, as you all know. So let's get into this analysis. As you can see, these are 1 month time frame. If you are just joining us, we've said last week that gold is on the general direction of gold is uptrend. As you can see, gold has been rising. As you can see, this movement, that is an uptrend. So we know gold is on an uptrend, and from our weekly time frame, as you can see, I told you gold is going down. Gold, you see, after this, it's anybody that is telling you to go and be placing buy now on gold, just look at the person like an idiot, because bro, gold just hit a higher high. What it needs to do now is start retracing the steps. This thing that is happening here, we've said it since yesterday, guys, and you can see I told you we are like prophets. You understand? So we've seen gold going down. If I swing trader, this is the best time to enter the market. What you just need to do is, let me show you right here, guys. If I swing trader, you just enter trade like this, put your stop loss here and put your first take profit right here. This is how many pips? I'm coming, let's calculate that. This is 2027 and this is 1903. Guys, this is wait, 1903 to 2000, that is like 97. That is like 97. And to R27, guys, this is just more than 1,000 pips. Let's just leave it there. This is more than 1,000 pips. So if you use, on my last trade I used 5 lot size. So if I use 5 lot size for this trade, I should be expecting nothing less than $500,000 or $5 million, about thereabout. So can you see, swing traders are actually their life are so comfortable because they have like trading power and they have good sites for analysis. They just go into the market, boom, activate the trade and let their trade run. But you guys, if you're a day trader, don't worry, we can still back this market. I'm actually going to place a sell on my market, on my MT5 account now. I also want to write this market down. Like I'm honest with that. I want to write this market down because I'm seeing this where gold is coming to, and I'm like, won't I follow this trade like this? But I won't be using 5 lot size. I'll be using just 1 lot size. So I've placed the trade. Right now my stop loss is now more. The stop loss is actually huge, guys. It's so big because stop loss from this is just a week time frame. If we move to daily time frame, you can see stop loss is big. That is like, I'm coming, this is 33 to 90. That's like more than is it more than 60 or almost 60? But it's not actually 60, it's like 600 pips. So that's a whole lot. You see I'm going to see the, can you see how big it is? It's actually a wide thing, but we can restrain it to this side on our account. Let's do this. The market is here currently, so I enter the market here. Let me put my stop loss around on this. Okay, let's put it here. The reason I'm putting it past this line is because I want to give allowance for this line. As you can see, when market hits all these lines, is like going inside, like you can see the pin in them. So I'll just give allowance, so I am safe. I'm on the safer side. And don't forget, always try to make use of break even. Once you see that this market is not favoring me and you've made some profits, you can put your stop loss to break even. Even with this, my stop loss is still actually much. This is like 23 pips, but we can still manage that. Though it's a lot, but we can still go with that. We can go with that. So my stop loss is 2069. Wow, it's actually a whole lot on. No, that's 2050, guys. Sorry, 2050. So I've placed my stop loss. I left the take profit open. Now, something about this trade I just placed now is, guys, I won't be touching this trade until I ride this sell to the lower place. I won't touch it. I won't, even when it's in loss. The thing is, something about the market is, anywhere it passes, it's not coming back there. Now, if I've placed the sell from this place, consider the market did not come back to this area. So the moment this trade starts going down, it's going to be giving us free ways there. So it's not going to be coming back to these zones, except if news is pushing the market. So our analysis for today is I'm still on a very deep bias for a sell. As you can see, market has broken through this line like this. That is a strong signal for a sell. The signal for a sell is not more than this. You may be saying that there's a double top, like there's a double bottom because of this. It's not a double bottom, guys, because of this guy that's in the middle. That's not a double bottom again. So let's keep it in mind that we are still on a deep bias for a sell. Market is still coming down. So I told you all these lines I drew, they are for markers for me to identify the key areas that market reacted to. So, and you can see it was a great help to us now, because you can see as market just got to this place. This one is the news, don't mind it, this is the news. So got to this place and came down and it broke through this one. So I'm on a strong bias for a sell. What I will do is I just placed a swing trade, though that's like a one lot size. The trade I'll be placing this week is on this spot. I already entered a sell. I'll enter another sell now for my normal trade. We are going to wait for the profit. The take profit is going to be here. That will be our normal trade. I'll be accountable for this swing trade I placed. I'm placing it because I just like placing those kind of trades that you just place and your mind will be at rest. So now this is the trade now that you are placing. Sorry, stop loss is supposed to be here. When market moves down, we move our stop loss to this place because of this line, you understand? But we are going to wait, because when price breaks through this place, it will stop at some point and come back and retest this place. As you can see what happened here, when market broke through this place, it did not just go down, it came back to retest this zone before it started coming back down again. So be careful of that, don't fall victim. Make sure you move your stop loss down after market has retested and has started going back again. So pay attention to this, guys. For now my stop loss is going to be here. So this is my analysis on gold. Maybe like what did they analyze just now? Watch our previous videos. You are going to see all these things clearly. I've talked about them last week. We are following some rules and some. It's just top-down analysis. This is just price action. How market reacts. We use those moves to predict the next move of the market. So that will be all for today, guys. Stick with KF. We are going to be giving you juicy content. We are going to be giving you opportunities in the financial market that are going to be teaching you how to analyze. Very soon you are going to see yourself analyzing market like this with a clear view of how things should be. So don't forget, if you join this analysis late, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the notification button also, so you can get notified once a video is uploaded on our channel. Alright guys, I will be seeing you on Friday on our next gold analysis, which is also going to contain our results. Okay, so I'm going to be displaying the result of the trade I just placed. I'm going to leave the result of this swing trade out. I'm just going to be focusing on this one that we just placed right here. So see you next time, guys. I love you so much. Bye.